by the virtue of the authority delegated to me by the school's division superintendent and upon the recommendation of your advisors that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the Key to 12 basic education prescribed by the Department of Education. And now, I confirm you completers.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the 2022-2023 Drenas Greatest